Yo, welcome to my first YouTube video. I'm going to be doing a leather restoration and sole swap on a pair of 2009 BMP BREDs. I've been a shoe customizer and artist for almost 20 years now. This is a project I've just always wanted to try and completely do. I've done a sole swap a couple times. They haven't turned out too bad, but this is my first complete sole swap on a pair of Jordans. I'm going to be using a leather filler that I haven't seen used on sneakers yet. The only videos I've seen online using leather filler are on car seat restoration, and that's all thanks to the customer who inquired to let me learn about leather restoration as opposed to just sneaker restoration. So it's very exciting to use this product. So here you can see my time-lapse film on my camera. Pretty much I'll just clean the excess dirt off the upper and the excess glue off the sole. So the first note when you're doing a sole swap is to not get too discouraged by the toe discrepancy, as you can see here. Usually the donor sole is brand new, it's flat, it's stiff, and it's not worn. The upper of what you're sole swapping usually is curved, banana boat shaped and used, and not flat, so you kind of have to meet them in the middle. The trick I've found is to bend the sole just a bit and to make the upper go down, because usually there's just a bit of discrepancy, but once you get that out of your mind that you're meeting old with new, you'll be in the clear. Second thing to note when you're doing a sole swap is for the sole, when you're shaving them down, you can go too deep and you can make a hole. I repeat, you can make a hole by shaving down the sole too much. These soles are maybe half centimeter at max depth, so don't go too deep. If you find yourself going too deep on a sole, you may have to just work on the upper and see what you can do, because you can make a hole. In the next few minutes, you're going to see me shave down the sole, fit the upper, and see on the sole where I have to work on. This will take a few sessions, but this is how you get that perfect fit on the upper to the sole. So here you can see me judging the damage of the uppers. I'll be using a razor next to see how deep the wrinkles are. There's lots of rips and scratches on the upper. Customer wore these to the gym, so these have been used to the ultimate max. I'm going to be using some random sandpaper that I had around the house. It's the best kind to use. It doesn't matter what kind of sandpaper you have as long as it breaks down the leather to the bottom. You just want the upper to be as flush as possible so the leather filler can do its magic. After sanding down the upper, this is the after. I've sanded down all the affected areas, the side panel that was experienced a lot of use, of course, due to the gym use. The leather filler I use acts like plaster for plaster for a wall. It'll fill in all the holes, and you have to sand down and paint. And it takes a few sessions, but it works really well. I was really happy to find this product. So the video I should be showing you is the pair above this that is worst condition on the toe box. You can see here on the toe panel, I already started painting over the first coat of leather filler. I'm going to be repeating the process of leather filler, paint, and then sanding down again just to get a nice flush and even layer. You can see now I'm stuffing the toe box to get all the creases and rips and wrinkles pushed out just to get the leather filler properly in there and flush. And pretty much that is the end of the video. Seen here is just the first session of leather filler, sanding down, and paint. I ended up doing maybe 3 sessions, and it turned out extremely well. You'll see soon. That's the end of my first YouTube video. Hopefully you guys find this video resourceful and useful. If you do, send me a like. If you have any questions or comments down below. Otherwise, enjoy my first reveal in the video. And here you go.